What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video we're going to be making a paracord bracelet. I'm using about 9 feet of paracord, and you can get these buckles at either Walmart or Hobby Lobby, either one. And you want to come up through the bottom or it's not going to want to turn out right. So you want to pull it through the buckle, and when this loop creates you just want to pull it through it. And then it'll make like a half hitch. And then you want to run down to the end of your cords, make sure they don't cross, and come up through the top of the buckle. Make sure they don't twist. And that'll kind of start your bracelet. Then you want to put it on your wrist and get about 2 fingers underneath. Well, we'll tighten it down. And then get about 2 fingers underneath. And then you're going to want to undo the bracelet. And then we'll start off with the cords away from you. Alright, this will be our left strand. And this will be the right. Alright, so we're going to start with the left strand. And we're going to make a loop that goes in front. And we'll try to hold that in place. I know it's kind of hard to see, but... And then we're going to hold that. Take the right strand. Go underneath, behind, and through the loop that you made with the left strand and pull it through. And this one's a little bit hard to tighten up, but we'll just do the best we can. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. I got a phone. I'm using my phone to record with, and I got a phone call that messed with the camera, so I had to edit that part out. Anyway, once we tighten up our first loop, we're going to come back, start with the right side, since we started with the left the first time. Make a loop that goes in front. Take the left strand, go in front, underneath, and behind, and through the loop. And then just pull it tight. And then we'll start with the left strand. Go in front, take the right strand, underneath, behind, and through the loop, and pull it tight. And that's really all there is to it. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. I'll do one more to show you guys, and then I'll go ahead and finish it up, and then I'll show you the end. So once again, take the right strand. I'll try to do it closer this time. Take the right strand, go in front, make a loop. Take the left strand, go behind, well, underneath the left strand, behind, and through the loop. And then you just pull everything tight. And make sure everything is slid up. But that's really all there is to it. I'm going to finish this up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we've finished the bracelet up, this is the part you want to go ahead and make sure that it actually fits. So it's hard to snap by myself, but so it fits perfect. It's not too tight. And usually if you make them too tight, if you bend your wrist, this little buckle is kind of weak and it'll give out, but it's holding and it's pretty comfortable. Anyway, so we have about, I don't know, 2 feet, roughly 2 feet left on each side. And if you actually go on my channel, if you're not here already, hopefully you guys will want to subscribe. Anyway, if you go on my video list, you will see how to make a paracord person. And that's what I use these strands for, because there's about 2 feet and you really can't do much with 2 feet. So just go check out that video if y'all don't care. So we're going to cut this, and I don't know, you want to cut kind of close, but not real close. So you want about that much sticking out. I'll do one side at a time. Then you're going to take your lighter. God, I'm so awkward. You want to take your lighter and just melt the end of this really good. It's on fire. And then you just want to press that into itself so it won't undo. Yeah, there you go. You can see it in the light shining. And then we'll do the same thing with the other side. Again, leave about that much. Make sure the buckle don't get in the way to melt. Also, if you've ever dealt with paracord before and you melt the ends so you know about the little dripping on it, I've learned the hard way. It sucks and it will blister, so be careful on that part. Anyway, there's our bracelet. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.